Welcome to Cooking with Emily.
Today we are making Chicken Katsu Curry. It's his favorite. This is actually like the only dish I can really make.
My favorite
it's
dish.
my best dish, I guess. And so we thought we would share the recipe with all of you.
Well, let's get started. What do we do first?
You can do the rice.
All right, I'm gonna start the rice. I'll be off camera. Bye, guys.
We normally do 1 potato, 1 carrot, an onion, and then a side of broccoli. Whatever you like, but I think these 3 are most common in curry. So I washed the vegetables. Now I'm going to skin them. We have 2 skinless chicken breasts. You want to create thin strips of them. Thinner is just easier to cook, so recommend probably like a 1/4 of an inch thick, and then you can make them into strips instead of flats just so they can cook more quickly.
I'm looking for a knife. All right, how do I cut this again?
You want to do it thinly. Press it down, but just be careful not to cut yourself.
Look at that. Look at this. Thin roll some filet
You
fish.
can cut it thicker.
What she ordered? Fish filet.
What she order? Fish fillet.
Okay, cut.
Ice so cold.
Your whip so cold. This whole thing.
Okay, cut off the knob of the carrot and then just cut it into whatever.
So we make this dish all the time, right? Even for like your brothers eat it too.
Yes, everyone in my family loves this dish.
My brother and my mom do too, and they're like people that are hard to please. So I think if you make this dish, people will be happy.
Cool. So I'm gonna get the boil. I'm gonna get the pot for the curry. Our handy dandy pot.
That should have been the box man, right?
Oh, so the curry we use is a golden curry.
There are tons of different curry. We're making Japanese curry, which is very, very good if you haven't had it before. These ones make it really easy. They're just cubes that you drop into the water, and then it turns into curry sauce.
So it comes in a packet like this. Cubes of curry sauce.
Cube up the potato just the same. So I think Michael was super excited the first time I made this because he's seen it in the animes.
You're gonna let out my anime secret just like that? Can you show the onion one more time and say it?
Why?
I wasn't recording.
Now we're gonna slice up the
Onion. I do about 1/3 of an onion because Michael doesn't really like onions, but even if you don't like onions, it cooks, so you can't really taste it. Okay, you can boil the water now. Vegetables are cut for the curry. We've got 1 onion, about half a potato, and 1/3 of a yellow onion. We're going to put water into the pot according to package instructions. This is like however many cups. And then while you're bringing it up to a boil, you can go ahead and toss the veggies in there so that they can start getting tender. So now we're going into breading the chicken so that it becomes chicken katsu, which is basically just Japanese fried chicken.
just do a couple of spoonfuls of flour at a time. No measurements are necessary. This is just to
Coat the chicken so that it's not slippery so that the egg can have something to attach onto. And then we're gonna do a few eggs. We have 2 big pieces of chicken, so I'm gonna do 4 eggs. Then the 3rd one is going to be the breadcrumbs, and how to do the panko breadcrumbs. One time we used a different brand just because we ran out and we almost set the house on fire.
So we have a bunch of spices here. What spices do we have?
I've got pepper and salt, obviously. Then I've got granulated garlic oil seasoning. And no salt seasoning. I don't know what it is, but it smells good. Paprika and cayenne pepper for spice. And then turmeric. I always add this in my chicken katsu just because it's good for you and you can't taste it, so why not? Okay, you take the pieces of chicken. My boyfriend kind of hacked them, but it's okay. It'll taste the same. You take the chicken, coat it in flour. Get the flour all over it. This is gonna give the egg something to stick to. Then dunk it into the egg. Flip it over a couple of times. Make sure all the pieces of flour are covered. And then shimmy off the excess yolk and albumin, I believe is what it's called. Then dunk it into the panko and really get it covered in the breadcrumbs. This is the good stuff. So I like to flip it over multiple times and push the breadcrumbs in. And then got yourself a piece of chicken that's ready to be fried in some, we normally use vegetable oil. Yeah, that's about it. Just over and over again until you've got golden chicken. Still breading the chicken, but I think we've got a good amount ready to fry up. Yeah.
All right.
There's no more vegetable oil.
There's no more vegetable oil.
All right, we gotta go back to the store.
Quick break, intermission. It's the Michael Cam. We're taking Milo. We gotta get canola oil. What's it called? No, cooking oil.
Vegetable oil for the frying.
Vegetable oil.
Ready to go. You ready to go, Milo?
He's like, please let me out.
All right, let's go.
Look at him. Look at him.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. He's surfing. Look at him.
All right, update. Obviously, I'm the only one here going right now. Aisle number 1. It's got the cooking oil. Boom, all the cooking oil. Let me grab this one. Mission successful. I'm back out. Got the canola oil, obviously. All right, back to the house.
All right, we're back now. We're ready to fry the chicken.
When Emily first said she could make this, I was very doubtful. But I was also scared because I've never had curry. The first time I've ever had curry was her curry, and I fell in love.
And the chicken katsu is really good. So you don't have to eat this with curry if you don't like curry. Chicken katsu as a plate is very common as well.
Let's go to the micro cam. Check it out, check it out. I mean, it's a little bit of a mess. You guys have to ignore this part. It's the part you don't see on camera. Micro cam over. So, you let fry. You've got to open the windows for this type of stuff. Flip it over.
First one's always like sacrificial.
Woo! One piece, dark crispy. So that's why you want to cut it thin. It's because you're going to fry this out. You want the crispiness to be outside, but you still want it to be cooked on the inside. If it's too thick, then you have to sacrifice the outside a little bit. Look at that. Golden brown. Animals are welcome in this kitchen. Oh, look at that. It's like cooked perfectly.
Oh my gosh, show the camera.
Cooked it. It's juicy, crispy, white, and cooked. Ooh, that sounds crunchy. Ooh, this one. See this, guys? This is good chicken. You want the whole thing?
Cutting the broccoli. I like my broccoli pieces small. We're gonna cut it at the top of the tree so we can have small little florets and break it apart. Yay. I'm so ready for dinner. Just so you guys know, it is 10 p.m. right now.
I think the water's boiling for your broccoli if you want to cook it. Leave it in there for a bit.
I know. I tend to undercook the broccoli. I like it crunchy, but then it's too crunchy. Alright, dinner is ready. Oh, it's heavy. Look at that nice chicken katsu. Get some rice. I'm excited, you guys. I too love chicken katsu curry. This is gonna be for Michael. He eats a lot. Might as well just give him the rest of the rice. Yummy. Ladle curry all over the rice. Yeah. Oh man. Yummy. That's how you make chicken katsu curry. Okay, see you guys next time.
Perfect. You get impatient. Oh my goodness. We have so much chicken.
Goodness.
Okay.
Bro, don't how you ain't gonna eat it all. You eat so much.
You go? Put on a jacket?
Don't wipe your bloody fingers on me.
There's no grease. It's still recording on there though, so it's like, if you want to put this in the video, you can. Oh baby, you got what I need. You, baby, you do what I want. Can't beat me up. Oh no, has to wait. Y'all can't be hurry. It's a game of give and take.
No. How do you stop filming if this is your idea of entertaining?
My girlfriend used to think I was funny. Camera's about to die again, okay?